If you're facing drug trafficking charges in Dallas, you already know how serious this is. Federal trafficking charges carry mandatory minimum sentences: 10 years, 20 years, life without parole. Texas state charges can put you away for 5 to 99 years. These are not numbers prosecutors throw around to scare you. These are the actual sentences judges hand down every week in Dallas courtrooms. Here's what you need to understand about drug trafficking prosecutions. By the time you find out about the charges, federal agents have already spent months investigating you. They have wiretaps, they have informants, they have cooperating witnesses who are trying to reduce their own sentences by testifying against you. The government does not file these cases unless they believe they can win, but believing they can win and actually proving their case beyond a reasonable doubt are two different things. Drug quantity calculations can be challenged. Wiretap evidence can be suppressed if law enforcement violated the rules. Informant testimony can be discredited. Constitutional violations during search and seizures can get evidence thrown out entirely. That's the work I do for my clients. I'm Michael Lowe. I'm a board-certified criminal defense attorney in Dallas, and I've been defending clients against drug charges in state and federal court for over 2 decades. Before I became a defense attorney, I was an organized crime prosecutor in Dallas. I've tried over 150 jury trials. I know exactly how the government builds these cases, and I know where those cases fall apart. I handle federal drug trafficking defense, state manufacture and delivery charges, drug conspiracy cases, and possession with intent to deliver charges. I represent clients facing allegations involving cocaine, methamphetamine, heroin, fentanyl, and marijuana at both the state and the federal level. My board certification in criminal law means I've met the highest standards set by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization. Fewer than 10% of criminal defense attorneys in Texas hold this certification. If your case cannot be won at trial, I fight to reduce the sentence. I know how the federal sentencing guidelines work. I know how to argue for departures that can minimize the amount of time you spend in prison as much as possible. You need a defense attorney who has actually tried these cases, not someone who will push you into a plea deal on day one. Call my office at 214-526-1900. The consultation is free and confidential. The sooner you call, the sooner I can start building your defense.